Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm here in Australia and it is extremely hot. Now I want to show you some things that I've been working on. I'll do one in this video, one in the next one, because I don't know how long they're going to take and I'm not going to be worrying about it. One of these days I'll remember to buy a clock to put in here. So I hope everybody's having a good day. A lot of people are hot and a lot of people are cold. So, and I'm sorry about the glue. I've got to, on my hands, I do not have something in here to wipe myself with and I haven't brought it up, so I'm going to have to, you'll have to forgive me for that. Okay, so over the months and that I've seen other people making pages with fabric and paper and things. People making Gypsy books and all this sort of thing, and I decided I'd love to make a Gypsy book, or try to make a Gypsy book. Well, my idea of what I'm just putting this together, okay, so you're going to have to bear with me. So I've been collecting up bits and pieces, so I decided that I would just show you the start of what I've been doing. So this is paper with fabric glued onto it. You can then run over it with the machine. I was going to, but I decided against it because, like, why am I holding that upside down? I'm so used to showing you things like that. I forgot we're up the right way now. So I've been having a really good time. I was until the cat decided it was more fun for him to play in it, so I didn't get a lot done, not what I'd like to have done. I've got to wait till he's asleep because he decides he likes fabric and stuff too. So, and you need to take a while. These things take you a little while to do. See, so I've got a piece of paper down under that as music paper. And then there's bits of lace. There's a piece off of a bag that I cut bits off this old bag that I found. It wasn't old, but it was, you know, a lot of this stuff's been reused. It's not, oh no, that one might be a new piece. This is something I found in Vinnie's. I love that piece of material. Nice bit of velvet there. Eventually, I don't know whether this will be the cover, because on the cover I wanted to put a picture of a gypsy lady and I haven't got round to doing that. I keep thinking I should be holding it around the other way, sorry. Okay, so on the side here I put a couple of little tabs, and then I hung a bit of an earring that I found yesterday. Look at these. These cost me $1 for this pair of earrings, and they got all them dangles on it. And this one was off the earring here, but there was only one earring, and there's a whole heap of them there as well. And I've put them into a little boxy somewhere because, sorry about that, I'm also going to be pinching some off this one that I bought, because they're already threaded for you, plus they've got really good beads on it and things that you probably won't pick up easily. So getting these at the opportunity shops, I will call them the opportunity shops, because you go there and there's never know when there might be an opportunity to buy something that you like. Okay, these would have been a very heavy earring, because that's a very heavy piece of what's the name, and these are really, they're actually glass. So that bit I'll be taking some off them for future pages. And this piece here, this bit of tassel, was off a scarf. I don't know where that bit is now, because I have got things everywhere now. Oh, well, you can't work without doing that. I'm sorry, people, but you do have to have a few things about to be able to do stuff. Anyway, that was on a piece of a scarf, and I just cut that bit off, and then I've pinned it onto there, okay? And that is my page. I love my page. I will be putting more stuff on, because I'll definitely be putting more dangly bits down the bottom here. There's a piece of fabric, a bit of embroidery, and this is just, I put that on there inside out because I really love the what's the name on there? I really turned back the right way, sorry. I love the stitching and that showing, so I'm really pleased with this, because it's, you know, it was really good fun. Now I've decided to make them, you know, by putting the pages onto a piece of fabric, because this here, what I'm looking at now, that's nice, it's gone and got stuck to me, it mustn't have dried properly. Right, and then every second one of those will be that bit, you know, like another page, and then I'll put another one there. So this I got off the internet, the truth, and I'm going to put that on there, but before I do that I will have something around the edge, you know. I want to put bits around here, and that takes a little bit of thought, you know, to do that. I've been in here for quite a while today, and I really can't do any more because my leg's stuck and it doesn't want to move. It's not good. Sorry about that, people. It's cool. I've been swimming, and not today, but I did yesterday, and my knees decided now that it doesn't like too much moving. And it keeps getting stuck on me, but anyway, it's okay, I'll cope. But anyhow, so the behind that I'm putting on something, and then I might leave a pocket this way, you know. I'm thinking about making a little pocket, and then you put your secret bits and pieces in there. But I just sort of wanted to show you mostly these pages because I really enjoyed doing this. It was so much fun. It's bits of that's a bit of fabric, so is that's a bit of clothing, a bit of a bottom off the band of clothes, a piece of ribbon, and there's a piece of blingy, a nice piece of lace, just bits and pieces, and I just really, this is a bit of wool, muslin, and I just made a nest of that. I'm going to put something blingy on there, and of course I'll leave that there, but I'll have to put my dangle thing up a bit higher because that's not long enough. I suppose it is if I have a dangle down here further, hey, it will be long enough. And then that one turns over, and then I'm in the middle of doing this one, well, you know, so, but this will go. Now why would I put all that stuff on top of here when I need it? Bless me soul, I don't know. So this is what I started out with. Well, actually this piece is not right because it's a bit crinkly, and then I will be putting this piece onto there, right, and then this will go over here, and I can put some sort of thing on this. Now some people make them and leave them open to have pockets in them, but I don't think I'll do that. I think I'm just going to continue with the, you know, the bits of fabric behind the things. Alright, so this is my beginning of my bits of maybe gypsy. Well, it's going to be gypsy theme because this is a thing like for the truth. Then I have got some gypsy. I've been on the internet printing out things, okay, and I've got all these ladies printed out, and because I didn't do it on fabric, I've covered them with Mod Podge, and I'm going to be putting them, incorporating it, maybe some of them, not all of them, into the book. I may put that on the front and just put, you know, whatever, and then I've got a memory spell here which I probably need that myself, but so that's what I did. I've just cut them out not long ago because I painted them with Mod Podge. They're really not going to be tearing or anything, and you're not going to be washing the book, so to have them made out of paper is fine. And I'm going to glue them all onto fabric, so they will have a fabric background on them, won't they? Just depends where I put them, and they will be on fabric, so this is like, you know, using a paper and fabric book. I'm going to put these in this packet here so I know where they are. Righto. Now well, so that's it, and if you, I'd like to hear what you think about it because I love to read your comments. Just have one lady said, why would I do a video with so many mistakes in it? Well, you know what, that was one of my comments, and I thought to myself, well, to be honest with you, it's best if you do show people the mistakes you make and what maybe they will come across. I remember the one that I did, actually, I was quite sick that day and I made a lot of mistakes, but I don't think, you know, and if she can do a video and not make a mistake, well, you know, that's really good. I don't think she has any up, but anyway, I suppose it's constructive criticism, I guess, I don't know. She might have been trying to help me in some way by saying, well, don't put it up, you make a mistake. I wouldn't be able to put up a video if that was the case. I know, isn't that bad? But you do make mistakes. Sometimes we say the wrong words, sometimes we, you know, we say the wrong word for like Mod Podge, we might call it gesso, or, you know, a button we call a bead, or, you know, all of us make mistakes. And if I do make mistakes, I'm really sorry, but I knew, you know what, when I'm watching a video and somebody calls a beat a button, I just think, well, you know, they just missed, you know, name that, that's okay. I'm not going to criticise them for it. But anyway, that's my little bit of a, I didn't have to say that, I suppose I could get that to myself, but sometimes, you know, you think people, why do they bother doing that to you? You know, you do battle on sometimes, you know, to do things, and I did that. I remember that day, and I wasn't very good when I did that. It was a scented sachet that I made, a lavender sachet, and I did muck it up something horrible, the video, but oh well. Anyway, I won't edit anything. It takes too long. You know, you might as well not make a video if you ask me, if you're going to edit it for hours, because I put up a lot. I've got nearly 1,000 videos up. But I'd love to thank all you wonderful people that have subscribed to my channel, and for all the amazing, beautiful, wonderful comments you say to me. And that one person shouldn't upset me, should they? So thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Where's the thing to turn this off? Okay.